let's try making a dam. Dude, can you help me make a dam? Please?
You need many logs and sticks.
Because this is made of sticks. Help! Dude, I need many sticks. Or rocks. Many rocks. Dude, help!
What are you doing?
I'm not trying to make a dam with sticks.
You mean rocks?
And sticks. Look, see that hole? That little hole? I need some sticks in there
Okay.
to make a dam. I found a stick. There's not that much sticks there. Good. At least I got it. I'll get it out. Help? Aren't you gonna help me?